How to add Optimism wallet address to Trust Wallet and easily receive this crypto token on your wallet. This is very easy to do, so follow my steps and let's start. To add an Optimism wallet address to Trust Wallet and easily receive this crypto token, follow these steps. Firstly, scroll the main page of Trust Wallet a little bit. After that, click on the Manage Crypto button, and as you can see, there are a lot of crypto tokens here. However, to add Optimism, you need to type Optimism in the search bar. Be careful at this point because there are a couple of Optimism networks. If you choose the wrong one when sending your tokens, they may not arrive in your wallet. So make sure to select this one, then click it and finally click Done. Now the Optimism token is on the main page of your Trust Wallet app. To receive this crypto from someone, click on it, then click Receive. One way to receive Optimism tokens is by showing the QR code to the person who will send you the crypto. Alternatively, you can also receive Optimism crypto token by copying your OP wallet address.